Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Some of them have been semi-rubbed down a little bit, been cut down to just keep the colour, get rid of most of the boulder. This has been dremeled a little bit, so it needs to be finished off. This piece just been roughly ground a little. Got a bit of a hollow there. A little bit of nice colour in here. Sparkles are showing through. Perhaps you might be able to get rid of a little bit more of the brown. This is nice reds and blues, especially through the middle. Then there's another bar of colour across the bottom there, as you can see. Basically it's just ready to polish. It's been again dremeled, the face has been dremeled, so you need to be able to cut the material, finish it with a Dremel type tool. Last bit's this piece. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.